And that's why we have to make sure that the youth them know the right thing.
Where will we go when the quarantine thing done and everybody touch road? Pull up in a fast car, make you any boss part. I know you're feeling it. Welcome back to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It is your host with the most. First of all, let me say congratulations to Koffee, man, because under these conditions right now, you have to skill to continue to make your living in a party, because the place is not as open as it was before COVID. COVID still a keep. All right. Now, according to the Gleaner, MasterCard today announced that it is partnering exclusively with Grammy-winning reggae artist Koffee as its official brand ambassador in Jamaica. Now, you know you have Visa and you know you have MasterCard. This is huge, okay? Koffee is one of Jamaica's youngest and most gifted musical talents, and she remains grounded, humble, and she finds time to give back to the community all the time. The decision to partner with her was an easy one for us here at MasterCard, as her authenticity, her creativity, and her spirit of philanthropy are aligned with our own values, said Marcus Carmo, head of marketing and communications for the Caribbean division at MasterCard. We are thrilled to have Koffee joining us as a consumer and our brand ambassador to experience all the security and convenience of our payment products and services. We are excited about this partnership and new opportunity to create priceless experiences and digital empowerment for our Jamaican cardholders, added Dalton Fowles, who is the country's manager of MasterCard in Jamaica. Koffee, who is the first official MasterCard brand ambassador in the Caribbean market, not first from Jamaica, in the Caribbean market, period. In reacting to the partnership, she said, I am very excited to be a part of MasterCard's initiative to educate, to increase financial literacy, and to help Jamaicans reach their financial goals. The new MasterCard marketing campaign featuring Koffee will be unveiled in coming weeks. Now, Tammy Chang, who is Koffee's manager, also joined in expressing their delight for the collaboration. She said, it can be hard, especially in these times, to get one's finances together. That me did I say. With Koffee being the ambassador of MasterCard, it will bring awareness to her peers that being financially responsible will contribute towards establishing the life that they want. This will bring about many benefits for generations to come. The company said that this partnership further highlights MasterCard's continued investment in Jamaica and in local consumers and businesses, underpinned on the establishment of a country office in the market in 2019. It added that her presence as a MasterCard ambassador also reinforces the company's focus and investment in entertainment in Jamaica, especially in the music segment, as well as shining the light on gender inclusion and women improvement. The last part there. Anyhow, gender inclusion and women's improvement. Let's move right along. So this is a big deal for Koffee. This is a big deal for us, period. Remember, Koffee just created history. She's the first woman, the first female to have ever done that. The Grammy that she picked up for her album was all given to men before. A lot of people said, well, ladies have Grammy to SouFLo, but her Grammy was not in reggae music. Her Grammy was based on a collaboration with someone from overseas. All right. So Koffee are the first woman to do this, and she did it at a very, very young age. All right. There's no doubt that she has international mass appeal, as we can see how her songs have been doing on the charts internationally, and also the frenzy that has been created around her in the media. She's a strong girl, because, boy, you have to can't hold it, you understand, and not get lost and caught up. Now, I don't know if you saw Buju Banton's Blessed video. We were supposed to review the video. Matter of fact, we were supposed to review the album. We did review the album, but we were supposed to review this particular video. Buju Banton's Blessed. If you watch the video, at the start of the video, there's a conversation being had in a studio, right? And that's why we have to make sure that the youths them know the right things and stay awake so they can enlighten their generation, is what Buju said as he reached over and gave a fist pound dap up to Koffee, who was sitting in a corner in the studio, a whole of meds, with an all-male cast that was in that studio at the time as well. Which leads us to this. So Koffee enlisted Buju Banton for the remix of Pressure, a song that she had put out before, which is now remixed. Pressure, the single, serves as the follow-up to the smash hit she just released called Lockdown. Me I go put you on lockdown, put your body on lockdown. Me no know, me can't sing but me love it. Well, some people say me can't sing, but me know say me can't sing. Anyhow, Koffee shared the official remix to her latest single Pressure featuring reggae icon Buju Banton. That's huge. That's huge. You know that Buju Banton is top tier when it comes to this thing, this musical thing. When you see people like John Legend and all the other big names lining up to work with Buju and showing Rihanna and all these people paying their homage and their respect, you understand the kind of level that Buju Banton is on. And not only that, Buju Banton doesn't seem to be the type of artist that just jump and do collaboration with everybody. Maybe it's because he don't want to water down his brand. I see him everywhere all the time anyway, kind of thing. Maybe that's the case. Or maybe he is very particular in who he works with and the message that they send, not only in image, but also in their music, in their words. See, I'm just guessing, I'm just saying, it seems logical. So, Koffee and Buju Banton has a song out there, and it is called Pressure, the remix. Little bit of pressure right here. Alright, so I'm going to play a little bit of pressure for you now and make you understand what I go on around here with Buju Banton. Now y'all can go look this up on social media yourself and make sure that you support the thing and all these things. But we just going to play a little snippet of it right now. Not too much because I'm sure the copyrights are strong. Alright. See it, yeah? Alright, so that's it, and you can go look up the rest of it. It is actually on Koffee's Vivo right now and doing extremely well. Alright, so Koffee shared that remix with Buju Banton, and this track sees the pair take on injustice, coping and healing over a laid-back production, according to thefader.com. She said, "My people, as we witness the constant injustice towards our brothers and sisters, we must stand together." This is what Koffee said on the track. "I may be young, but I can fully feel the weight of the decades of oppression and abuse towards not only Black Americans, but Black people all over the world. We cannot let all the lives that are lost be in vain. None of us are free until all of us are free." Big talk and big actions to back it up from someone so young, right? So she's here to do powerful things, and she is walking in the light of doing powerful things. Just a collaboration with Buju Banton alone, clap it out of the park already. And I'm gonna go listen to that single Pressure again and again and again, and I encourage you to do the same. Shout out, talk up in the comment section. Is this more congratulations for Koffee, or are you one of those people that, for whatever the reason is, you're not gravitating towards her music, her presence, and what she's bringing to the table? In my eyes, she's a big star. In my eyes, she deserves every bit of the success. In my eyes, she's wildly talented. She is extremely focused for someone of that age group, and I just love to see the growth. Me just glad somebody there to witness it. I'm gonna left it right there. So it's SouFLoTV. You already know, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Make we talk more about the thing. I'm out. Peace.